Hi everyone, today we are going to explain you about the dashboard reports. Now what are dashboard reports? Dashboard reporting is a visual representation of your company's key performance indicators. Using this data from other reports, dashboard visuals provide charts and graph to give an at a glance vision of your company's performance. What should a dashboard report include? Most of the time, you are going to be using a combination of numbers, bars, lines, and tables, and not much else. Okay, this is how we do the combination of using a dashboard. Now, what is the difference between a dashboard and a normal report? Reports tend to be border and feature strict data because they must be delivered periodically. They represent a snapshot of a specific area or organization rather than its real time situation, where dashboards on the other hand are built to visualize and organize data in real time. Okay, now you see the dashboard what you are seeing here on my screen. These all are designed from the Focus tool. So that is the beauty of the software Focus-ERP application. So I will tell you how to design these dashboards. Okay, we have a report designing tool. From report designing tool also you can design the dashboards. Okay, whatever the reports you have designed from the report designing tool you can call in these dashboards. We have some default reports, the built-in reports in the dashboard. I'll just show you how to use those reports. To design the reports, you need to log in into the respective company with your credentials. Let me log in. Once you are logged in, see here after the home button you have a dashboard. Okay, here you have a plus button. Click on a new dashboard. Here you have to give your dashboard name. Say the management requires a sales performance dashboard. Okay, I am giving my dashboard name as management. Here this report you can assign to the users as well as roles. Okay, if you want to assign this dashboard to the user, select this user and click the right arrow key. So this dashboard can be shared to now two users, one super user as well as admin. So whenever these people will log in, they can see the dashboards. Now I have given to admin as well as Chakri. Now I will save this. Okay, now when I save, here you got a message, dashboard saved successfully. Let me cancel this. Now I go to a dashboard. Now you see here my dashboard name is created. Now like this you can create number of dashboards, okay, based on your user requirement. Okay, you may have a request from many departments, like they want a dashboard for their department. Okay, now I have a service department. Now service department says we want to know like what are the pending orders to be glance. Okay, pending orders to be glance with the help of a dashboard. So you can design a dashboard for the service department also. Now tomorrow there will be a request from a sales department. Now they want to see their total sales. Okay, total sales of their particular division. So you can design a sales dashboard. I'm just giving my dashboard name as sales dashboard. I'll save. Now here you see I have two dashboards now, one for management, another for sales. Now accounts department may also request to have a dashboard. Now they want their receivables and payables. Okay, now I have defined three dashboard names. Now I have to include the required features in the dashboard. Let me take the accounts department dashboard. I'll show you how to design this dashboard. Okay, when you want to design this dashboard, you have to select the dashboard name. Here when you click on this graph button, you can see all the dashboard names here. Now if I want to design a management dashboard, I'll click on this. When I click on this, here you see my dashboard got changed to management. If I click on sales, my dashboard got changed to sales department. If I click on accounts, then it got changed to accounts dashboard. So like this I can select the dashboards. Now in this dashboard I want to place some reports. How to do that? Here you have a settings button. Okay, now what do you want? Do you need a graph or do you need a report? Now I'll say I need a report in the dashboard, or I need a graph. Okay, I can say I need my top 5 customers. Okay, I can place it like this. I can just drag and place. Now I need my top 5 vendors. I can drag and place it like this. Now I need my top 5 products. Okay, I can place it like this. Now these are the 3 default dashboards which I am placing here. Okay, this is how you can place the default dashboards. Now I'll save this dashboard. Now you see my dashboard has come. Okay, let me re-log in. Now I have given this dashboard to admin, super user as well as Chakri. Let me log in with admin. Now you see I am not getting a dashboard. So let me go and see why I am not getting this dashboard. Let me log in with the super user. Okay, even for super user I am not getting a dashboard. Now you see here when I click here, now let me check in the management. See here it is showing that this has been shared, but here I have not given as a set as default. Okay, so because there are number of dashboards, it is our system is getting confused which dashboard to be shown. So I have to select this as a default dashboard and then close. So let me log in with SU again, super user, and click on sign in. Now you see I got a dashboard. So that is the reason I have not got a dashboard when I log in with the other users. Let me log in with Chakri. Still he is not getting a dashboard. Now how to achieve that? Let me show you. Let me log in with the admin user or Chakri user. Okay, let me log in. See, when I sign in, even now also I am not seeing the dashboard. I have just seen there were no rights for the dashboard. Now I will show you how to give the rights. Log in with SU. If you want to give the rights, you have to go and see what is the profile you have given for Chakri. Okay, now what is the role you have given for Chakri? Go to security, create user. Here you have a Chakri user. Here you have given an ERP role. Now this admin ERP role is assigned to which profile? Now when you go to roles, okay, create roles. Here when you click on admin, now you can see the admin profile is assigned to this. Can you see it here on the right hand side, assigned profiles? Okay, now admin profile is given. Now you have to give the dashboard rights to the admin profile. Now let me show you that. Click on home, security, then click on create profile, select admin. Here in settings button you have a dashboard. Okay, now you see here unselect all and select all. Now this has to be given, then only the other users can see the dashboard on their main screen. Now I have allocated the rights. I'll just save it. Let me log in with Checkry now. Now you see still there is no dashboard. Now what we have to do? Now you click on the dashboard graph. Okay, here you click on management, then it will open. Okay, now you see here when you click on this plus button. Okay, now you see there is no set as default. You have to give this, then only Checkry can see the dashboard whenever he logins. Okay, let me re-log in again. Now you see Checkry got the dashboard. Now this dashboard is what you are seeing in a report format. Now if I want to see this as a graph format, what I can do is, here I have a graph option. I can select whatever the graph I want. Then I have a view graph. So this is how you can select the graphs. Okay, here I have a 3D bar. Now this is how you get the graphs. Now you see I have a customer A, it is showing 75,000. Customer B, he has done the business of 700,000. So in the top 5 customers, it is showing the 2 customers, because now I have only 2 customer sales what I have did. Like this you can change the graph whatever you want, like this. Okay, come here, select this one. Now this is a donut chart. Now click on view. Okay, this is how you get the different type of graphs. Like this you can select for all the reports. This is a funnel chart view. See, this is the pie graph. This is the pie graph. Okay, like this you can select for all the reports. Now you see this is a different type of report. This is the donut report. Okay, this is how you can design the standard report graphs. Okay, again I will show you how to design the other reports also. Let me log in into SU. Okay, now in SU I want to place some more reports. Now I go to settings. Here I have a graph reports. Okay, in these reports I'll click on a new graph. Now my graph name is total receivables. Here I can select the x-axis and the z-axis, whatever I want. Okay, and also I can select the linear, how many levels I want. Here I can select the data set. If I need any data set, here I am selecting all accounts only. Or I can select my receivables. Okay, because this is my receivables report. Okay, now let me show you this. Now here you have a period as on today. Okay, you can set whatever period you want. I am just selecting as on today only, or if you want this month, it will show only for this month. Okay, if you want for this quarter, you can select it as this quarter, this week, today. Okay, like this year, current financial year. Okay, like this you can select it. So I am selecting as on today. Okay, let me save this. Now it is asking me the series name. Now what is this series name? I'm just giving a test. Let me see what happens. I'll just save this. Now I have designed a graph. Now I have designed as a total receivables. Okay, I just drag it and paste it here. Okay, when I paste it here, I'll just save this. Now you see, I got my total receivables graph. As I have selected a bar graph, it is showing as a total receivables. Now if I don't want a graph, I want only the value, I can even select it. Okay, I can even expand and I can see it. Even I can filter. If I want to filter only on some particular variable, I can filter. I can filter on a particular field. Okay, to refresh the graph, you have option here. You can click here so that the graph will be refreshed. Okay, if you want only the information type, like if you want just say total receivables as a value, you can even get that. So how to do that? I just come here. Now this is my information panel. Okay, now I go to my new information panel. Okay, here I'll give as total receivables value. Okay, I can use total receivable value. Okay, here I can give as a standard, or I can define here. I can get that receivables. Okay, I can select total receivables. So these are the variables which are the default variables. You can select whatever the variable you want to pick from here. I'm just searching which variable I want to take it. I'll just take a balance only. Okay, I'll just take a balance. As on today, my caption will be balance. Okay. Okay, now I go to the settings button. Now I have a total receivables value. I'll just save it. Now you see my total receivables value has come 0. Now why this has come as 0? Let me check. I can edit this report. I can click on settings button, so that I will go to the info panel and click on this edit button. So let me take the other variable, receivables in local currency, total receivables as on today. I can take this. Okay, and I'll save. Now you see, now I got the value. Now there is no graph here. So these are the information fields which you can get it on the dashboard. Now if you want the payables also, you can get it. Now I click on settings. I go to the new info panel. Okay, here I'll say total payables. Okay, here I'll select my total payables as on today. I'll just save it. Now I can drag and drop this report here. Okay, like this. I'll just save it. Now you see I got my total payables. So you see here my receivables are more and my payables are less. So, okay, there is a difference. If you want to know what is the total receivables minus payables also, you can get it. I'll just show you how to do that. Now let me show you how to get total receivables minus payables in one particular report, one particular dashboard. I click on settings, I click on info panel. Here I have a name called receivables. Okay, here I'll take my variables all as total receivables as on today. Okay, then I can click on this plus button to add one more series. Here I'll give my total payables. I just select total payables here. I'm just searching total payables. Total payables as on today. Okay, total payables as on today. Okay, I'll just save this. Now one I got for receivables, one is total receivable value. Okay, what is the total receivables value? Okay, total payables. Okay, total receivables. Okay, this one I have saved as receivables minus payables. I'll just save this. Now you see here I got a graph total receivables minus payables. So you see here this one is showing 48.8%. Okay, now this one is showing 1.2%. Okay, let me go to this. So here you can see it is showing the color code. Okay, now you can give the palette whatever you want. Okay, here you can give the palette whatever you want for that particular graph. Okay, here I have total receivables Okay, total receivables is plus. Here you can give the formula. Okay, total receivables plus, then this is minus. Okay, like this you can give the formula here. Then I'll save. Now you see what happens. Now you see, now it is changed. So this is how you can give the total net receivables minus payables. This is how you can set the graphs. Like this you can create many graphs. Okay, if you want to get some report within this dashboard also, there is an option here. I'll just show you how to get that. Click on settings. Here you have a report. Okay, click on this plus button. Okay, here you have a new report. When you click on a new report, here you can see all the standard report as well as your report designer reports. Here you can see all the reports. Whichever report you want, you can take it. This is monthly sales report. Okay, now this report you want in graph or you want in normal report, you can set this. Okay, here like this you can set this. Now here you can select the graph option, which account you want. I can select all my sales accounts. Okay, now I can select the graph option here. Now what I want in this report. Okay, I can select the key column as month, then as an amount. Okay, I'll just save this. Now you can select the graph option. Now what kind of graph you want? You want a line graph, you can select the line graph. If you want a pyramid chart, you can select a pyramid chart. Okay, let me select the column and line mix. Okay, I'll just save it. You have a save button here, you have to save it. After that you have to save it here also. Now you have a monthly sales here, you can just drag and drop. Just save it. Now you see you got a different report here, monthly sales. Now you see I have only the April month. Okay, it is showing only the April month. Let me change some sales invoices and show you. Now you see I have set on sales computers. Now the first invoice is sales computers, the second one is sales electronics. So let me do this as sales computers only. And then see that graph. Now you see I'll just come out. Now I'll just refresh this. Now you see I got one in April, another in September. Now you see how my graph is showing. Okay, this is the graph which I have set as a bar and line graph. That is how it is showing here. So this is how you can design the dashboard reports. Okay, so I have shown you how to design the dashboard reports and how to give the access of these reports based on the dashboard names. So here you have all the names. So whichever dashboard you want to use and insert the report, you can insert it. If you want to insert any dashboard in the accounts, just click this and click on a settings button. In accounts, if you want to give the report of your receivables and payables, you can give. Now let me take the graph report or info report. In info report we have total payables. You can take this and keep it here. you have total receivables, you can keep it here. Okay, now you have your net receivables and payables. Okay, for accounts department, these are the main reports which is very much essential. If you want other reports, you can design other reports also. If you want any sales report, monthly sales report also, you can put it. Now you have a monthly sales report. So these 4 reports I am just giving to the accounts dashboard. Now you see, now I got only the 4 reports in my accounts dashboard. Now if I go to my management dashboard, now I'll get how many reports? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 reports I have configured. This is how you have to implement the dashboard reports. So this is a very good feature in Focus-ERP. You can make use of it and you can do as many as reports you want. Okay, so if you practice, then you will come to know many reports how you can design it. Okay, if you like my video or if you really feel that you have learned something, please subscribe to my channel and please like my video. Thank you.